while choosing any kind of partners, any kind of close friends, is to get in shape with very simple, daily, gentle, or face the triggers or the events or the people. The fourth secret is to surround ourselves with good friends. Extremely important because an environment makes the man. And if you choose the right environment of individuals around you, it can have a reverse effect on you, a positive effect on you, depending on the environment you choose, which can create the right sense of vibrations, which makes you into a better person. So be very careful when choosing the right set of partners, friends around you, because these are the people who will influence you in a positive, neutral or negative manner. So it's always good to be wise while choosing any kind of partners, any kind of close friends. Be extremely careful while surrounding yourself with the kind of friends that you have. Ikigai believes in a very simple, gentle, exercising regimen. And the fifth secret is exactly that, to get in shape with daily, gentle exercise. It believes in the ancient forms of Tai Chi or Yoga or Qigong and not in the modern days of Zumba. So the fifth secret focuses on being kind to your body. While we need to get into fitness and into exercise, there has to be a certain gentleness, a certain kindness to the body as we make our movements or as we get in shape. No rough or nothing which is very harsh to the body is suitable. So the fifth secret is very simple. It's to get in shape with very simple, daily, gentle, the key word here is gentle, exercise. The sixth secret is to smile and acknowledge people around you. Sounds very simple, but it's a little more deeper than this. You need to be able to face your fears. You need to be able to also face the people who trigger you, the people who get you scared or angry, who fill you with emotion. Are you able to move back, turn around 360 degrees and face, smile and acknowledge everybody around you? So that's this particular secret, which is to smile and acknowledge the environment, acknowledge the people, all kinds of people who come across our lives without avoiding or without running away from any particular situation. So it tends to make ourselves very transparent, very relaxed and very comfortable with ourselves. And this again has an effect on you when you are able to face your fears or face the triggers or the events or the people. You tend to become more transparent, more simple within ourselves.